Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start reading part of the lesson science. So what is the lesson name here? Lesson number 6, stars, planets and moon. So I have given the notes now. Check once whether you have done any mistakes while writing spellings or anything. Just you, I will read the notes. You have to check it and correct it where you have done the mistakes. Okay, children. What is the hard words for celestial bodies? CELESTIAL, celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Number 2, astronaut. ASTRONAUT, astronaut. Next, planets. PLANETS, planets. Craters, CRATERS, craters. Next, crescent, CRESCENT, crescent moon. Next, sixth one, waxing, WAXING. Seventh one, waning, WANING. Next, constellations, CONSTELLATIONS, constellations. Next, coming to the fill in the blanks. First, space has no air to breathe. Space has no air to breathe. See here, children, check once here. Breathe came, no, you erase it. By print mistake, when I will type the notes in the system, it is repeating the words. So just you write from textbook, see here, textbook bits only. First bit, space has no air to breathe, that's all. Remaining breathe came, no, those all you rub it. They have been repeated, okay. Just see here, these are not required. This entire you rub it entirely, okay. Space has no air to breathe, that's all. Next, humans have to carry dash and dash with them in the space. Here also space repeated. Don't write again space. Just humans have to carry oxygen and food with them in space. That's all. The space has been repeated here in this bit. Please strike off that. Because of system errors, I can't erase it now. Already we have typed and taken the screenshot and sent to you. No, that's why. Next, third one. Planets do not have light of their own. Planets do not have dash of their own, means planets do not have light of their own. They do not emit light on their own. Next, fourth bit. Stars form patterns called constellations. Okay, here also repeated, children. Stars form patterns called constellations, that's all. This patterns called you strike off it, okay. These many mistakes came, sorry for this. Because of this system error, I am unable to correct it now. That's why I am making the reading notes, you correct it. Stars form patterns called constellations. Understood? These two, erase it. Next, fifth bit. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Here also of the, again of the, no, of the repeated, so strike off the of the. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth, that's all. So fill in the blanks. Next, coming to the question and answers. No, I have given. See here, question and answers. So first one, what is a new moon? The moon that is present in the sky but it is not visible is known as new moon. The moon that is present in the sky but it is not visible, it is known as new moon. What are constellations? The patterns made by stars are known as constellations. The patterns made by stars are known as constellations. Next, what are the parts of the solar system? The planets, their moons, and the sun form the solar system. Here, the sun has been repeated. Strike of children. The planets, their moons, and the sun. That's all. This you need to strike off the sun. Okay, this the sun form the solar system. Next, long answer questions. Can living things survival in space? Support your answer. No, space has no air to breathe. Humans have to carry oxygen and food with them in space. Next question. Does the moon have light of its own? How does the moon shine in the night sky? Moon has no light of its own. It is actually the sun's light that bounces off from the surface of the moon and it comes down to us. We call this light as moonlight. What are stars? Do stars have light of their own? Why do stars appear as tiny dots in the night sky? Stars are huge balls of gases burning with fire. Stars appear as tiny dots of light because they are far away from us. So these are the short answer questions and long answer questions. Children, try to correct the mistakes, whatever I have sent in repeated manner. Strike it off, that's all. Okay, children, if any doubts, ask me. Thank you.